Welcome back to another episode of Dr. Taste Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're going to be doing up chicken wings on the Recteq RT-B380 using some Rens competition. And for our sauce today, we're going with Baxter's Spicy Bourbon. Now I'm just a normal dude in the backyard growing stuff. If I can do it, you can do it. Enjoy. Alright, so I got the Recteq fired up here. We'll just get these prepped real quick. So this has some chicken wings. We'll just fast forward through this, but what I'm doing, I'm just going to come out of the package. I'm going to have one set that I'm just going to do naked, and the other one with the Rens competition here. Going to pat them dry first, and get them prepped for the smoker. Alright, so we're over at the Pelletcan. So I already have some apple sitting in my Recteq here. So we'll go with some cherry. Kind of even her out there. Alright, so there's the apple I got in there. We'll throw some cherry in. Let it mix up a little bit. So we're using Bear Mountain pellets today. So we're set at 375. Let's see how we're heating up here. Yeah, it's sitting at 380 currently. Alright, we are warmed up. Let's get these wings on the Recteq. Alright, so first time cooking real food on here, so we'll start with the naked wings. Just pop these guys on. We'll go with the Rens competition. Alright, we'll shut the lid here. Again, we're cooking at 375. We'll check in about 10 minutes, see where we're sitting. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, so let's check her out. Stuff is cooking fast in the 140. Alright, we're going to do a little flip. I'll probably just check in about 5 minutes and sauce it. Alright, so about 15 minutes, let's check it up. I just had a real big temperature spike, so thought I had a little fire going. Check the big guy. Yeah, we're sitting about 155 on the big guy. Yeah, we're done on that one. So we're going to get these sauced up. Alright, so we're just going to get these sauced up super quick here and get them back on the smoker. Again, on the nakeds, I'm going to be using the Baxter's Sweet and Smoky. On the ones with the Rens competition, I'm going with the Baxter's Spicy Bourbon. Alright, pop these guys right back on. So far I've been very impressed on how fast it cooks. So that was 15 minutes to get them done at 375. They seem to be nice and crisp. So we'll go 5 more minutes. Then we're coming back for a taster. Now it's been 5 more minutes. Let's just check in real quick. Oh, those look gorgeous. We are good to go. Time to eat. Alright, here they are. Took 2 little ones out for a sampler. So first one up here is the Naked with the sweet and smoky barbecue sauce from Baxter's. Still warm. Double taste bite. Starving. Yeah, those are pretty good, nice and tangy. It tastes a nice tang off that. Then next up we have the Rens Competition Rub with the Baxter's Spicy Bourbon Barbecue. It definitely tastes like garlic from that Rens. This one is a little bit warmer. Wouldn't call it hot. I don't think you can go wrong. Let's recap real quick the Bullseye Recteq RT-B380. That was fast. At about 15 minutes or so, I was cooking at 375. These were pretty darn near ready to go. Sauced them up, back on for 5 more minutes. So 20 minutes of cook time for some wings. That's pretty cool. Hey, if you liked the video, hit like. I'll put a subscribe icon for you right there. Another video right about there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.